Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now I just got myself a brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max as well as an iPhone 14 Pro that you can see down there. And CASETiFY actually reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to check out their casings, take a look at their new designs, and of course check their drop testing. But with that said, let us first take a look at all these beautiful casings before we talk about drop testing them. Right, so just in terms of these casings, the first thing that I want to talk about is in terms of their design. As you can see here, you are able to customize your CASETiFY casings by putting any kind of wordings onto the back. I did not really ask for my name to be put on here in Chinese, but somehow they sent that to me. But just in case you want to have any kinds of writing at the back here, you can do that. You can choose the fonts, you can choose the color, and you can even put pictures at the back here if you want to as well. I personally think the printing looks super top notch and high quality here. They do give you a bit of texture at the back, and I think that is awesome. But check out this black and yellow combo, guys. Looks really awesome. In terms of customizations, you really can go all the way to the max here with CASETiFY. However, if you don't want to customize your case and you just want to choose a pretty cool design, you can also do that by checking out their featured artists and all that, because CASETiFY also collaborates with multiple different artists to give you cool designs like this one that I have here, which is designed by a very well-known artist. So we have that here. Again, you can check out their website for more artists, more designs. There's a whole ton of designs over there. I think there's a few hundreds of them and you can't really finish it. But again, take a look at these printings, guys. They do look very nicely printed at the back, and I think it's, again, high quality casings. Now, in terms of protection levels, what can you expect in terms of protection levels? Well, CASETiFY here has 3 levels of protection. You have your impact case, you have your ultra impact, and you have the bounce case. Obviously, the bounce case is the one that provides the maximum protection, but here today, I only have the impact case as well as the ultra impact. So we're going to take a look at them and see how they really differ. So we're going to start off with the impact case first. Now, all these cases have been military standard tested. They have also been drop tested to very high kind of heights. And from first impressions, first looks alone, you can't really see anything sticking out on the sides. It's super clean here. If you are not the kind of careless user, you just want some minimum protection from drops and all that, I think the impact case here will actually help you out. It looks beautiful on all sides. Again, very slim and nice. Now let's check out the ultra impact case that I have over here. Now this one, you do notice that we do have this Eco Shock kind of bumpers or twills on the side here. They are on each corner and they are able to offer even more protection. So according to CASETiFY, these Eco Shock bumpers here will provide additional 20% protection, and they do not add too much in terms of the weight as well as the size of the case. So again, it's still very lightweight here. Again, very quick look at the impact case and the ultra impact case. Personally, I think that if you are a careless person or you tend to drop your phone more than once or twice, you should check out at least the ultra impact case, because they do provide very good drop protections on each corner of it. Right, so what else do we have here? Just in terms of fitment and the finish and all that, you do have more protection offered at the back here, because the case itself protrudes out a little bit so that your camera lens does not sit flat on your desk. If you do want more protection, you can also get this, lens protector from CASETiFY. So this is something that you can actually paste onto the back of your phones so that it offers a little bit more in terms of your lens protection. I'll stick that on in a bit. Other than that, at the front here, notice that we do have a slight lip as well on all sides. So this also allows your phone to not sit super flat on your desk, on any surface, to protect the display itself, and I think that is great. Overall, in terms of protection, you should not feel too afraid. In fact, these Eco Shock bumpers has been dropped more than 130 times just to prove their reliability and their ability to absorb any kind of shock that you have onto flat surfaces. Now with that said, I did wanted to test out the drop testing of these cases, and naturally, after dropping it a couple of times, obviously not from super high heights, I dropped it around knee length or about waist length, and I noticed that again, in this case, my entire phone was still protected. There was no shattering of any glass, any screen protectors, nothing cracked at all. There was no dents whatsoever. Of course, these shocks do provide a lot of protection, and again, depending on how you drop your device, it will actually provide you a lot of protection. So with that said, that is what we can conclude with today's quick look at the CASETiFY cases. If you do want to grab yourself a CASETiFY case, do use the 15% discount code down below to save a little bit. It's worth mentioning that all CASETiFY cases are made from 65% recycled and plant-based materials, and just in case you're wondering, they do come with MagSafe compatibility for certain cases. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!